Hello, sir. Let me introduce myself. My name is Giovanni Diamond Sitanepesi, and my student ID is 2036 and 115. I'm from class A. And now we are going to talk about the social platform that can really help students to improve their English skill. Now we have so many website or social platform that we can use, of course, to improve our English skills. But now I will specifically focus on one of the most frequently social platform we always use daily in our daily life. And the name of that social platform is TikTok, or in Chinese they call it Douyin. It was created in 2060 in September. But now we are not talking about its history. We are talking about how TikTok can influence us to improve our English. Well, before we talk about that, we need to know about TikTok. TikTok is a highly engaging social media platform where user creator, normal user like me, can share our short video to do many things. While primarily known for its entertainment, the TikTok has a growing community focused on educational content, including English language learning, of course. Now, TikTok features so many diverse creators, interactive comment section, and algorithm-driven personally content, making TikTok a dynamic learning tool. For my frequency of use, well, I have been a TikTok user for about 4 to 5 years, spending at least 4 to 5 hours daily. Over this period, I have consistently consumed content tailored to English learning, alongside other entertaining videos, of course. While it's true that my usage for using TikTok exceeds the recommended engagement duration of 30 minutes per day, this using TikTok allow me to immerse myself in language exposure regularly. Well, now we are talking about the activity that we can use in TikTok to improve our English. The first one is for listening practice. I have followed quite quite many actually. Yeah, creator who specialize in teaching English about vocabulary, grammar tips, and pronunciation. For example, I follow at Practice English 8 and at Fluent Pulse. Listening to native and fluent speaker can improve my comprehension, and it exposed me to diverse accents and speaking styles. While it really helped me in my listening skill, it also helped me for my reading skill. Well, TikTok video often includes on-screen text, subtitles, or engaging caption. From that, we can really read it and, of course, improve our English. What I pay close attention in these elements is it can really help me enhance my reading speed and vocabulary acquisition. And also, I follow a certain content creator, for example, at Speeding Test. While in this content, the creator will give you a quite long explanation in words, and then we, as the user, can improve our reading by reading it aloud. It's like read the text. And also, I follow at Speed Reading Challenge. It has the same vibes with the previous one. Now we are talking about speaking practice. By participating in challenge like for example, repeat after me, it really helped me to improve my pronunciation and speaking fluency. Interacting with native speaker in comment section also allow me to engage in real conversation. For example, in speaking practice for uh, for people who likes to listening to a song, maybe you can find your favorite song, find the lyric, and then there are so many creators where they will ask you to join them to duet with them, or for example like I will sing the green line and then you will sing the blue ones. It really help you to improve, to engage with the native, and it really helped me a lot in my speaking skill. And now we are talking about writing practice. While it's true that in TikTok it's really uh, based on my experience, it's really not really helpful in writing practice because it's really hard for me to find the content. But you can also practice your writing skill when you want to comment your favorite video. For example, uh, if you like, I like this video, I would like to give some suggestion maybe, or I don't like, I hate this video. I would like to criticize it by, let's say you want to type about so many things. That's the time where you have a chance to improve your writing. You writing a comment, responding to question, and creating caption for my on video also can improve my ability to express thoughts concisely in English. Yeah. So now we're talking about skill that I learned in TikTok. I mean, well, vocabulary. Exposure to informal and formal English helped me learn idiomatic expression and colloquial form often used in real life conversation. Well, I have this one word that I really like. Ineffable. Ineffable. I learned it of course in TikTok. It means that in Indonesia tidak bisa diungkapkan dengan kata-kata. That's really a beautiful poetic word that it's really hard to find but in TikTok I got it. Now, grammar. I gain practical knowledge of sentence structure by observing correct usage in the video and explanation from the educator. While it's not that maybe when I'm talking, it's still like in some certain area, but at least it really helped me to improve my grammar and pronunciation. Listening and mimicking native speaker improve my accent and intonation in some area. Uh, for example, I really like that British accent, like, can you have a cup of a tea? I really try to learn, even though I'm still lacking, but I'm trying. And in TikTok, it's helped me a lot. Listening and comprehension. Watching video with varying speed and style sharpen my ability to understand spoken English in different contexts. Yeah. So, my overall experience about TikToks, in a scale 1 to 10, I will give it a solid 8.5 because it's really helped me, even though this app is not for educational purpose, but it really helped me in improving my English skill. And that's all from me. Thank you, sir. Hope you have a good day. Thank you.